The coming of these platforms, the ClickFunnels, the lead pages, the landing pages, and all these different micro softwares, like for example, Keep, etc. That's something that is a tool that does not replace the power of your website.
Yeah.
So never ever just focus on creating landing pages, making sure that you are creating on your website. It is extremely important still to have your main domain become more and more powerful and adding content to it.
It's like similar to if you have a YouTube channel, you know, those videos live on there forever and anybody can search for them and find them even years down the road versus posting something on Facebook, Instagram. It just, you know, it can go viral, but it doesn't live on forever. So that's kind of the same analogy there. Like these are extra things, but the foundation should definitely be like your website and a YouTube channel.
That's right. That's right.
And actually, let me bring something up because I had a question that somebody wrote in. Yeah, so this question relates to this. That's why I wanted to bring it up. So the question says, curious how clicks on your paid Google ads may affect your ranking and the fostering of organic placements. And so basically, it's a little bit longer than that, but basically the question is like, do your Google ads affect your organic search results? Like if people are clicking on your ads and not your website. So let's say for your brand name, naturalslim.com, you search that, we should come up as number one on the search results, but also on the paid ads. Yeah. All right, put me on the spot. Let's see.
What do you want me to search for?
Natural Slim, Productos Natural Slim are the main keyword, but with our brand.
Productos Natural Slim.
Yes. Okay, so at the very top, we have our shopping campaigns, which we're showing up for there. Below that, we have our ad to our store. And then if you go below the ads, the number one result is us.naturalslim.com.
I don't know who these two guys are here and why are they showing up.
Yeah, I don't know who those are, but they're bidding on similar keywords.
So all of it is us.
Something having to do with Slim, probably.
Almost everything is us except these guys right here, these guys and these guys.
Yeah.
All right.
And then right below that, you see Natural Slim is the first ad on the search results, right?
Yep.
And then if you scroll down like two more, after that one, the next one, which is organic, is us.naturalslim.com, Productos Natural Slim, right?
That's the organic one.
That's the organic one. So the question says, you know, do the Google ads affect the SEO of you being ranked there number one and people not clicking on it? Because Google does recognize that people are clicking on your organic, you know, result versus the competitor. And the answer is no. Okay, it doesn't affect it. It actually helps it because anybody that's landing on your website is helping signal to Google the engagement that's going on your website and the fact that the more engagement that there's on your website based on these keywords, they give you more relevancy on that. So it actually helps it. Now, you can't just do Google ads and expect for your website to just, you know, creep up to the top because you're spending money on these keywords. You do have to do SEO, which is like backlinks and other things that we haven't gotten into in these training, which we definitely should make a training on that, right?
Absolutely.
But yeah, I just wanted to bring it up because we were just talking about that, the whole SEO subject, and not sure if you're on the call here, if you sent me this question from Brad's email, but if not, hopefully you're watching the replay, and the answer is no, it does not affect it. Keep your Google ads running, even if your website's ranking there on the first page of Google.
We have seen a lot of results recently with running top of the funnel. This is basically what the funnel looks like right now. Top of the funnel, Google ads, trying to get people to get introduced to our brand, either via Google searches or YouTube pre-roll ads or discovery ads, and then getting people retargeted on Facebook and Instagram. So it seems like it's a vital strategy for a lot of people to incorporate, and it doesn't matter whether you're on e-commerce or you're trying to generate leads and prospects for services. You build a retargeting funnel that starts with cold traffic on Google, and then you build a retargeting campaign to people that are visiting your website on Facebook and Instagram with more information, testimonials, case studies, reviews, etc. about what you do and trying to bring them into your world. Because remember, you're not going to convert a high percentage of these people from cold into a lead. You're not going to convert them into a product sale, even less. So you got to just make sure that you create a journey. If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. We're going heavy with content in this 2021 year and beyond. Go ahead and subscribe right now.